may crush ako before na name niya... Never mind. Ba't ko nilalaglag yung sarili ko? Hello guys, I'm Brem Manalo and I'm here at Zine Magazine. So yung character ko sa Call Me Mother is Marco. He's an IT guy, so he's one of the boarders of Mother Twinkle. Yung role dito ni Miss Vice Ganda. Pero yun nga, isa siya sa mga makukulit na boarders sa bahay ni Ate Vice, which is 5 kami na eh. Me, Mika, Shuvi, Esnir, and Ate Clam. Honestly, when I first heard about this na I was being considered to be part of it, parang I was in disbelief kasi it's always been a dream of mine to do a film. It's my first ever film. Naalala ko nga when I was asked about this, parang kailangan muna natin tanong kung baka kasi di kaya na schedule because we were doing another project also at the time ng shooting. Sabi ko hindi, kahit di na ako matulog, okay lang kasi pangarap ko talaga. So yun. Siguro yung team song ng Probinsyano. Kasi di ba sobrang ganda no yung kung wala ka na... Hindi ko memorize, ano ba yun? Huwag ka lang umiyak sa mundong pabago-bago. Kasi yung mom ko iyakin yun. Actually lahat kami. Parang ako lang yata hindi masyadong iyakin. Siguro Daddy's Girl. Parang ever since yun talaga yung napipicture ko na pag magka-family ako, unang gusto kong maging child is a girl. Sabrina. Yes. Kasi may crush ako before na name niya... Never mind. Ba't ko nilalaglag yung sarili ko? Siguro being always present even though she's working abroad. In her own little ways, she's always been there. She have been very supportive all throughout my journey in showbiz, even yung sa school years ko. Parang kahit nasa malayo siya, ramdam ko yung presence niya. And I think if I'm gonna be a dad one day, yun yung gusto kong ma-apply din. There was a particular scene in the movie, actually napakita na siya sa trailer, na magkaaway doon si Meme Vice saka yung role ni Ate Nadine. Parang sinabi doon ni Meme na hindi siya yung nagluwal doon sa bata pero nanay siya. Siguro mas nagkaroon ng solid proof sa akin na you don't have to be the birth mom of a child for you to be called a mom. As long as you treat them right, raise them right, wala sa kasarian yung pagiging nanay, wala rin sa katayuan sa buhay yung pagiging nanay. As long as willing ka maging nanay, you can be a mom. That it's ever so complicated, but I guess you always have to work on it. Kailangan lahat talaga tulong-tulong eh. Anyone can be your family. Siguro it made it clear how a Filipino family works. Yung dynamics na talagang kailangan nasa isang bubong, hindi mapaghiwalay, yung kahit ilang taon na. Siguro ganun yung na-instill din sa atin growing up as Filipinos na in a way we're codependent with our family. Pero as long as I guess it doesn't stop your progress or your individuality, malaking tulong talaga yung pamilya sa atin. Thank you Zine Magazine. This Christmas, December 25, Call Me Mother on cinemas nationwide.